Good morning, children. 1B, how are you? So, always be safe and cover your mouth with a mask. Always use mask and always use sanitizer to wash our hands. So be safe and obey your parents. Don't forget to obey your parents. Now children, today I am going to teach you missing numbers. So for that, I am going to tell you today a beautiful story. Okay, come children, come with me. I will tell you a beautiful story. So come on, come. Now children, today I am going to teach you missing numbers. Missing numbers. So now children, don't forget to write date to the left side of your copy at the corner. Starting this left corner of your copy, write down today's date 21/4/21. It is day 21, date 4, it is April, and it is year. And don't forget to write down CWORK, class work. Now my dear children, today I am going to teach you missing number with a beautiful story. So now, in a jungle, there lived two friends. They are elephant and rabbit. See, in a jungle, there are two friends, elephant and rabbit. So one day they are very hungry. So they started to go inside the jungle to search their food. So they are going in the jungle to search their food. So they are moving in the jungle to search their food here and there. Now here you see children, this elephant is alone. वो जो रैबिट था वो खाना ढूंढते ढूंढते कहीं जंगल में खो गया. अब वो कहीं नदी के किनारे पहुंच गया. तो ये एलिफेंट जो था वो अब ये सारे बहुत सारे ये नंबर्स का इसमें जाल में पहुंच गया. So all of you see that some numbers are missing. So the एलिफेंट को क्या करना है, इस नंबर्स में से होकर, दिस एलिफेंट को इन नंबर्स में से होकर उसे रैबिट को ढूंढना है. इस एलिफेंट को ये नंबर्स, ये एलिफेंट जो है ये नंबर्स में से होकर इससे किसे ढूंढेगा, अपनी फ्रेंड रैबिट को, जो कि कहीं जंगल में खो गया है. तो चले लेट अस स्टार्ट. सो सी दिस इज 1 and then this is 1. Here elephant, see this is 1. अब elephant 1 में आया, लेकिन 1 के बाद जब elephant आगे बढ़ रहा है, so see what is this? This place is vacant. There is no number. So let us brick is there. So elephant will remove this brick. See, hey, it is number 2. This is elephant starts to jump. Number 2. Then elephant move forward 2. Then it move to 3. Then it come to 3. It comes to 3. Then again after 3, there is nothing. Something is hidden. So something is missing here. So let us see what is missing here. Oh, this is 4. Then again elephant start to jump 4. Then he take a one jump and it come to 5. Oh wow, 5. Wow. Again this elephant again come from 5 to 6. Then it is 6. then it will come over this. After 6, which number will come? The number is missing. So let us see what is missing here. It is 7. The elephant comes in the 7. Then it is 8. After 8, there is missing. Let us see what is missing. What is missing? So it is 9. Then elephant comes on 9. And then elephant come to this place. Wow, it is hidden. Some number is hidden. So let us see what is hidden. What is missing? Number is missing. Oh, this is 10. Elephant begins to jump. 10, 10, 10. Now it take a jump, come to 11. Again after 11, something is missing. What is missing? What is missing? Let us see. Now I remove this. What is missing? Oh, it is 12. It is 12. Now elephant comes on 12. Now it take a jump and it comes to 13. Now here, what is missing? What is missing? Let us see. It is 14. Wow, it is 14. And then again elephant comes on 14. Then it is 15. And here it is something missing. What is there? What is there? What is missing? Oh, it is 16. Now it is 16. After 16, it is 17. Now here is something missing. Now see what is missing? 18. Then it is 19. And at last, this is 20. Hey, look! Elephant comes near this rabbit. Rabbit is drinking water. Rabbit is near the water. So both of friends meet together and both of friends are very happy. They went again to the numbers and began to read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now both of these friends, they went back to the jungle. So hey children, how was the story? Now let us read these numbers again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. कैसी लगी कहानी? तो इसी तरह आप मिसिंग नंबर ढूंढ सकते हैं. You can find your missing number and you can write your missing number. Now let us open your book. Maths practice. Your maths book open and then I will tell you what to do. So my dear children, you have to write here date and day and classwork. Write date, day and classwork. So all of you open number concept 0 to 50 and it is page number 17. Now here children, let us see that here this is a caterpillar. What is this? Caterpillar, caterpillar, what are you doing? Caterpillar, I am eating the leaf. I like to eat leaves. So this is the caterpillar. Kitty the caterpillar. On the caterpillar's body, some numbers are written. Okay, so let us read the number 1, 1, 11 and then something is missing. So let us see what is missing. Oh, it is 1, 2, 12. This is the missing number. Now again come to 1, 3, 13 and again after 13 some number is missing. So let us remove this. What is missing? This is 1, 4, 14. Now it is 1, 5, 15. Again here something is missing. Let us see what is missing. 1, 6, 16. Now here 1, 7, 17 and after 17, what is it? See, 1, 8, 18. So in this way you can insert your missing number. See this missing number 1 to 12, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18. So my dear little Petal, so let us do another one, another exercise. Let us do la 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 la. There is a ruffle snake, and this ruffle snake, this ruffle snake, on the body of ruffle snake some numbers are written. See, it is 16 and it is 19, and here it is 21, and then it is 23. So some numbers are missing. Some numbers are missing. So here 16. After 16, which number will come? Let us start to count. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16. Then it will come. Let us see what will come. Come, let us see. 1, 7, 17. Again there is missing. Some number is missing. After 1, 7, 17, what will come? Let us see. 1, 8, 18. Hey, see, 1, 8, 18. And then 1, 9, 19. Then after 19, tell me, which number will come? Let us see what is written. What is there? Oh, 2, 0, 20. Wow. Now 2, 1, 21. Now here something missing. Now let us see. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. And then it is 2, 4, 24. So my dear children, so today you have to do this number concept, page number 17. Now let us come to the रेलगाड़ी. चुक 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 बीच वाला स्टेशन बोले रुक 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 रुक. This is रेलगाड़ी. Oh, this is a malgadi, goods train. So the train is taking the wagon. See, these are there. So some बक्से हैं, देखो बोगी, ये सब ये मालगाड़ी है. So let us, on the body of this train, what is written? 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. What will come after it? What will number come? Which number will come? Tell me. Now let us remove this. Yes. 3, 6, 36 is missing. 3, 7, 37. Which number is missing? Tell me which number is missing. Tell me which number is missing. Now let us see. It is 3, 8, 38. Now after 3, 8, 38, which number is missing? Now let us see. It is 3, 9, 39. Wow, 4, 0, 40. Hey, let's see how interesting it is. So similarly, you have to do this page. Okay, children? No, now my dear children, now let us come to the next page. Insert the missing numbers. So don't forget to write here today's date is 21/4/21 and today day is Thursday, and write down H work here. So hey, see, this is the Mickey tortoise. The tortoise is having some number on its body. See, उसके body पे कुछ numbers लिखे हैं, and some numbers are missing. So now let us start. You have to do, आपको क्या करना है? Missing numbers को insert करना है. You have to insert the missing number. So let us see. First one. Come to this. What is missing here? So let us see what is missing. Oh, it is 1, 1, 11. Now 11, 1, 2, 12. After 12, what is missing? Let us see. It is 1, 3, 13. So first layer is completed. This is the first layer. Now come to second layer. Second layer, let us see. What is this? This is 37. So before 37, which number will come? Let us see. Oh, it is 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. After 37 कौन सा नंबर आएगा? देखूं कौन सा नंबर इंसर्ट करना है. 3838. देन उसके बाद क्या होगा? कम हियर, लुक, सी विच नंबर विल कम? इट इज 3939 and it is 4040. So see, 3636, 3737, 3838, 3939, 4040. Now let us come to next level. This is level number 3. 2626. उसके बाद which number will come after 2626? Let us see. Oh, let's see. 2727. Again, after 27, you have to insert the number. Let us see. It is 2828. Now it is 2929. After 2929, let us see. It is 3030. Now read it. 2626, 2727, 2828, 2929, 3030. Now here come to this level. 43. Before 43, which number will be inserted? 42. 42, 42, 43, 43. After 43, which number will come here? Let us see. Remove this. 44, 44. Now after 44, 44, which number will come? Tell me. 4, 5, 45. Now this is 4, 6, 46. Now after 46, which number will come? Tell me. It is 4, 7, 47. Wow. So 4, 2, 42, 4, 3, 43, 4, 4, 44, 4, 5, 45, 4, 6, 46, 4, 7, 47. So this line is complete. Now come to this line. 1, 8, 18, 1, 8, 18. After 1, 8, 18, which number will become? Which number will be inserted here? Let us see. Oh, it is 1, 9, 19. Then after 19, which number will come? Okay, 2, 0, 20. Now it is 2, 1, 21. After 21, which number will come? See, 2, 2, 22. After 22, which number will come? 2, 3, 23. So let us read it. 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23. So now this line is complete. Now come to next line. So what is number missing? Which number is missing here? 4, 2, 42. So let us remove this. Just one before. 4, 1, 41. 4, 1, 41. Now before 4, 1, 41, it is 4, 0, 40. So 4, 0, 40. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. After 42, which number will come? Let us see. 4, 3, 43. Hey, 4, 3, 43. After 43, it is 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. So this, again we read it, last line. 4, 0, 40. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. Hey children, do you like my video? So my dear children, what is your homework today? This page number 18, it is your homework. So you have to do it. So this thing you will do it by yourself, the balloon wala. So this is your. Now see these two friends, they are living in the jungle. They went away, they have their food, they eat lots of food, fresh green grasses and leaves from the forest, and then they went back to their home. So my dear children, today you have learned how to insert missing number. कैसे missing number को भरेंगे? So now it's time for having fun. So all of you have to do this worksheet page number. It is you have to do page number 17 as a C work, and page number 18 is your H work. Now we will meet again in the next class. Till then, sayonara. Bye. Take care. Bye bye.